Hi guys, Asad Yaqub here, and at the moment I am here at Riyadh beach in Abu Dhabi along with my friends, and you can see my friends right with me. Yasin is there.
Hi.
Shmaila is there. So we are having fun, or you can just see all around. It's beautiful beach. Yeah, there are vessels here. Yeah, awesome. So Shmaila, how do you feel?
ग्रेट एक्चुअली मैं फ़र्स्ट टाइम यहाँ पे ट्रैवल किया है मैंने इंटरनेशनल, और बहुत इंजॉय कर रहे हैं और बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है और वेदर बहुत अच्छा है.
Good. Yasin?
एक्सीलेंट.
ਅੱਗੇ ਵੀ ਬੋਲਦਾ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਤੇਰੀ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਮੁੱਕ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਤੂੰ ਆਪ ਮੁੱਕ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ?
अच्छा अंग्रेजी में बोल रहा था, मैंने तो उर्दू में बोलती हूँ.
Okay, ਇਸ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦਾ 9 ਬੈਂਡ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ. Okay, this is great experience guys, like you know the way we started struggling and the way we went on, and now we are actually enjoying the fruit of our efforts.
Exactly.
Alhamdulillah. So this is awesome. Like we are having good life. We can afford to travel to different parts of the world, teaching IELTS, enjoying ourselves. So that's what I say. If you have fruit in mind, then you will do all the effort. If you believe in the fruit that you're going to get eventually, you will believe in all the effort. But if you don't believe in the fruit, your effort is going to be like, am I stupid doing this all? Right? So what we are enjoying today, we had not even thought about it.
Exactly.
Like we were thinking, like, you know, they say goal setting. We set the goals, but now what we have imagined, this is what we have achieved. It is 1000% more than the goals we set. So sometimes you get more than you desire, and in our case we are getting actually far more than we desired. Okay, let's walk on. Thank goodness. Yeah, you can be part of this beautiful excursion. Right behind you can see that is Abu Dhabi city and this beautiful area. Yeah, and thankfully we have GoPro, so GoPro is actually making it possible. We are not going to go into the beach. यासीन कपड़े नहीं उतारने भाई.
Okay.
जिन्होंने उतारे हैं उतारे, आपने नहीं उतारने, ठीक है? हाँ, आपने अपनी क्या कहते हैं उसको, अपने संस्कार जो हैं, संस्कार को नहीं छोड़ना, कपड़े नहीं उतारने, ठीक है? ये हाँ, बीच पे आ गए तो फिर संस्कार कहाँ रहे? हाँ, दोस्त ना रहा, प्यार ना रहा, बीचों बीच चलते हैं. तो ये वो बीच है जिसको कहते हैं बीचों बीच. हाँ, गुड, ऑसम. कितना खूबसूरत मंजर है, देखिए ना पानी का एंड ऑल दैट. ये और ये हम लोग हैं, हैविंग फन एंड ऑल दैट.